What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This Heru, the bet guru, right here in Hawaii this morning. I told y'all if y'all would have went to the site yesterday, you would have knew that Bowling Green was the lock pick. I told you Bowling Green was a lock pick. You should have went to the site, but that's okay. In the moment, we'll be getting the lock picks for bowl or conference championship weekend. It's going to be a big decider who goes where to the bowls. You got me? Beautiful sunset, beautiful mountain view, beautiful landscape in Hawaii. As I walk down the hill, you heard me. We headed to going to this store to get some put some money on the car so I can load America's card room. We're going Gusto. Putting I don't know. We'll see when the goddamn we do the research. We'll see what we're gonna bet. But again, we got Aloha Stadium right there. We're gonna go to the Pro Bowl, ladies and gentlemen. It's Heru, bet guru, you good. We got hills everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. Damn right. Heru, the bet guru. You feel me? We headed down the hill. Y'all boys don't forget to tune in to bet.bizupstarts.biz. That's the dummy site. We're building pkbetguru.com right now. And when it's finished, it's gonna be elegant, extravagant. Members only. We'll let you look around, but members only, you heard me? Cause hey man, this money's serious. I know everybody wanna win it, but I can't get everybody the lock picks, man. They gotta be members. Get lock picks like Bowling Green. Oh, how about right now? The game not over, so I wanna knock on wood, but Texas winning 17-0. I like the Texas. I got a 10-ticket parlay right now going. I put $1.66 because that's all I had left after I cashed out the money. I said I'm gonna put this $1.66 on 10 games and it's gonna win me over 700. That's how you do it. You bet cheap, hit big at Bet Gurus. You feel me? You don't have to risk all your money. You can come. You can go big now, but just go slow, man. $10, $20 here, man. You will build your account up before the football season is over. You will build it up. Trust that. My fire don't went out. That's all right. You heard me? Bet Guru. When you're hitting Bet Guru, my friend, you can live in Hawaii for a while and smoke out and walk down the street. You heard me? That's what it is. You heard me? You can buy big chunks, man. 700. It wasn't number 700. You know, a little chunk. But shit, you hit with Bet Guru. You buy your shit. You buy you some shit sometime. You heard me? The sun came out. I put this hot ass rain jacket on because it rains for 5 minutes and then it stopped. The sun comes back out. It does that frequently out here. It's okay. Bet Gurus. Y'all heard it from here. Heru, the bet guru. Look that up. I got some videos up right now. I'm about to go ahead and close this video out. Be ready for the video today. I'm gonna give out these lock picks now. Yo.